So I've not posted for 2 weeks now. It's only because I have work and I'm on a bowling league. So this video is going to be about fidget toys. This is Play-Doh and it smells like blueberry. If I can get it out. I've not played with Play-Doh for a long time. It's really hard. Of this ball, purple ball. It's fun to squeeze. And like, the ball itself is very sticky. I have two puppets. One's blue and one's a pineapple because I probably said this in my live videos that I love pineapples. I don't really use puppets for fidgeting. I just like it to pop bubbles for fun. But it's called tangled fidget, and I really like to fidget with these. Here's another one. This one didn't come with these colors. I actually switched it. You can actually take them apart and switch colors. You can make it smaller or bigger. Last fidget toy. This one is called a hand ruler. At first it feels weird, but it actually feels good. It can be slippery. So that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video.